Manheim is located at the confluence of the Rhine and the Neckar in the Kurpfalz region of northwestern Baden-Württemberg. The city lies in the Upper Rhine Plain, Germany's warmest region. Together with Hamburg, Mannheim is the only German city bordering two other federal states. Mannheim is unusual among German cities in that its city center streets and avenues are laid out in a grid pattern, leading to the city's nickname Quadratische Stadt or Square City. Within a ring of avenues surrounding the city center, there are squares numbered from A1 to U6 instead of street names. These streets are home to a wide range of sites and cultural attractions, art, good food, events, and parties. The city is actually known as an ensemble of a chessboard. As soon as the sun comes out, so do Mannheim as a rich and beautiful city. The civic symbol of Mannheim is the Romanesque Mannheim Water Tower, completed in 1886 and rising to 60 meters above the highest point of the pretty area of Friedrichsplatz. Both the tower and the statue-rich fountains in front of it are particularly spectacular when they are lit up by night. Even during the day, the Friedrichsplatz will totally captivate anyone with its beautiful ambience. Mannheim is well known for its inventions, including the automobile, the bicycle, and the tractor, which is why the city is often called the City of Inventions. The city is the starting and finishing point of the Bertha Benz Memorial Route, which follows the tracks of the first long-distance automobile trip in history. The city is home to many factories, offices, and headquarters of several major corporations. Since 2014, Mannheim has been a member of the UNESCO Creative Cities Network and holds the title of UNESCO City of Music. Mannheim offers a magnificent Baroque castle, a beautiful Art Nouveau ensemble around a water tower, some of the best German shopping, and a great choice of cafes and restaurants. That's why the locals love their Manheim, as it's called in the local dialect. There are still plenty of things to do in Mannheim once you start to wander through the city center and find its picture-perfect spots, just like their Marktplatz. There stands a Baroque double building of the old town hall. The market square is now located on the edge of a district characterized by restaurants, shops, and facilities of all kinds, which is also popularly referred to as a Little Istanbul. The cafes and restaurants of the market square were therefore joined by a Turkish bakery, a Turkish butcher, and several Turkish restaurants. On Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, the market square becomes the colorful center of the city. Another site not to be missed include Europe's second largest Baroque palace, this stunning creation right to the Planken. It's the largest of its kind in Germany and partly occupied by the city's university. The building has been extensively renovated over the past years and is well worth a visit. Within the heart of the city, you will find important religious monuments or churches that contributes to the city's rich cultural and architectural heritage. These include Manheim Jesuit Church, is a Catholic church of historic and artistic importance. The church construction began in 1733 and completed in 1760. It was consecrated to Saint Ignatius of Loyola and Saint Francis Xavier. During the Second World War, the church suffered severe damage from air attacks. After the war, it was rebuilt in its historical style using original parts. The church displays many Baroque features in its exterior and interior. The second is Christuskirche, a Protestant church. Together with the Peace Church, it forms the Christ Peace Community. It was built between 1907 and 1911 according to the plans of Christian Schrader in Art Nouveau style with neo-Baroque echoes. Barely affected by the Great Devastation, it has been preserved almost completely in its original condition. One of the common characteristics of a livable city is having a huge park and green spaces, and Mannheim is not an exception. The city offers Luisen Park, one of the city's most important theme parks, attracting tourists for a special leisure day with family and children's entertainment facilities. It has an amusement park, large green spaces for play and relaxation, attractive flower gardens, and picturesque lake. As the Rhine-Neckar Metropolitan Region's shopping center, Mannheim is a winner with shopaholics. There is nothing you cannot buy in the city. This fantastic city is totally worth a visit. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!